없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니. 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog of mine. So finally a day without morning rain. Yeah, to be honest, I'm a bit pissed off on rain right now because since the day I came to my home, it's been raining continuously. So right now I'm having my water, morning water. Yes, I drink a lot of water in the morning. You should do it too. And here's my pets, Pantua and Shandes. They're so cute, right? Since it's a season of mangoes, I was craving mango milkshake for a really long time. I'm just gonna make one in my home. I'm just gonna cut this mango in some pieces and then use the pulp for making the mango milkshake. As you can see, this mango is properly ripe. I'm not using overripe mangoes since I don't like them. And now I'm just gonna place them in the plates and bring out the juicer. Since I like my milkshake over sweet, I'm using a lot of sugar here. As you can see, if you don't like so much sweet, you can just avoid it just for some second and it will be ready in no time. So our mango pulp is ready. Now I'm gonna add some milk. No, at first I'm gonna add some ice. I forgot about it. Now it's time for the milk. I put the milk in the freezer for some time before using it, and here goes the mango pulp. I'm not gonna be using anything extra since I like it simple, and now I'm gonna stir it with a spoon and that's it. My mango milkshake is ready, I guess. So I forgot to shoot my lunch video and now it's raining. I enjoyed the mango milkshake really much, and since I'm gonna go to my village home, it's gonna be really messy since it's raining a lot. I'm just gonna take a nap for a few minutes and then I'll be going. The minute I came outside of my house, it's raining. Thank God I took my umbrella with me and now I'm walking. It's a walking distance of like 20 minutes from my current home and it's a really beautiful place. I really like everything about that place and it's so much calming. I guess I have to hurry up since the sun is already setting and I have a long way to go. I really like the sound of the rain and also the calming atmosphere it makes. Finally, I am in my village home. It's there, and now I'm just gonna freshen up, then I will be talking to you. Apart from the calming weather, the best thing about village home is delicious snacks. And here it is, the garam garam chai. Nothing can beat it in this rainy weather. And of course, we can't forget the papro. So it's the next day morning. The sky is a bit cloudy, but I think there will be no rain, hopefully. I'm having my morning tea right now, and after that, I'll be helping my auntie with cooking. And here comes my breakfast. So I'm done with everything, and right now my Chotuma is doing her daily course while I am going around here and there while enjoying the views. Finally, the sun is here. I've never been this happy in my life while seeing the sun. And here it is, the beautiful, cute cup is eating. I really like them, they're adorable. घूमते घूमते किधर से टाइम चला गया पता ही नहीं चला. So it's already time for lunch. After having lunch we will be going to a village market. Yes, it's just near our home. After that I'll be returning to my home. Here it is, we are going there by Toto, and जिसका डर था वही हुआ. It's raining so much, and finally we are in the market. There's water everywhere, I know, right? But the village market's a really good place to get the fresh vegetables. As you can see, there is so many fresh vegetables, and they cost a bit less than the normal market, so everybody here came here for the purchase. And it's raining again and again. It's really hard for us to do the market while it's raining that much, but we have no choice, we have to do it. So right now I'm having this chana bhaja. It's a really famous snack in India, and it's really flavorful. So we are already done with our shopping, and I guess we'll be returning to our home. Hope you like the vlog of mine, and if you do, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Right now I'm gonna say bye. I'll be meeting you in my next vlog.